Hey guys, this is a quick update on this HP Z400. I bought this nocturnal fan to replace the stock fan because it was really loud when it hit 70 degrees. So these nocturnal fans are really expensive, but they actually do the job. It's really quiet. So yeah, I bought that. That was an inexpensive part, cost me 26 bucks. So yeah, I cleaned up the old girl, did some wiring and some tying up in the cables. And I put a 12mm cooler master fan so the air goes across there to cool that down. And there's the fabulous 650 at 6850 ATI, still going good. Got my two hard drives, they're in a RAID 0, 4 terabytes, 6 gigabytes of RAM. I'm getting another 2 gigabyte stick, so it'll be 8 gigabytes. And I still have the Xeon processor in there, so I might upgrade it, I'm not sure yet, but it's still doing the job good. And this excellent power supply. These are tough. It's only a 475, but it hasn't blown up yet, so it must be really good. And I did the cable management in there. So yeah, I'm just doing some tidying up. And there's the front, very clean. So yeah, if you have any questions, please subscribe to my channel. Hey guys, the computer's running. I'm just going to do a fan test. So I'm going to come over here to the BIOS screen on your HPs, and you go to, where is it? Advanced. No. Just hold on a second. Chipset memory, no. I think it's in thermal. Right. See, that's the nocturnal fan, not loud. This is the CPU fan running its balls off, and this is the other fan that's very quiet. So the problem with this CPU fan, I can't. It's a HP. It's a HP plug, so they use a different plug. Instead of a 4-pin like a normal fan, we use a 4. They use a 5-pinner. So yeah, so I'm just going to turn that off. So yeah, that's it guys. That's how the fan's running on this nocturnal HP computer. Goodbye.